Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're finally working on the block. We're gonna finally get this put together. Let's get started. Oh yeah. Got a lot to clean up, that's for sure. This thing is dirty. Let's see if I pressure wash it. It's very dirty. There it is. Let's see. Come on, really clean. We got the CSS block guard put in, and we also got it decked. So came out really clean. Should be good. It says that is good for like 700. I think it was saying. So should be enough for us. I'm gonna start by cleaning it off and stuff. I'm gonna clean off everything. Be using just parts cleaner, spraying the whole block pretty much. You want to clear out all your oil passages, all that stuff, all that good stuff. I want to make sure this one's clean. Let's turn this around. There it goes. And let me just clean off the head. Bunch of coolant and stuff and all that stuff came out. After I do this, I'm gonna spray it with some WD-40 just to keep it lubricated, just like a light coat, you know. Anything that's bare, you want to make sure that it has like some sort of lubricant, or like something that will protect it pretty much, especially if you're leaving it out. You don't want it to like rust and stuff. That wouldn't be too good. But yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna clean the cylinders too. I'm gonna spray the cylinders also with some WD-40 too. So got all that cleaned off. Make sure I got all of it. So I'm gonna just spray it lightly with like WD-40. Just for now. This is just because I'm gonna have it sitting, so I do not want it to rust. That would be that wouldn't be good. So pretty much I'm gonna wipe off the excess, a little bit of the excess, you know. Alrighty, so let's get started with the piston rings. You want to make sure that whatever one you do, that like say 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever piston rings that you grind down for that cylinder, make sure it stays to that cylinder. So got the 2 oil rings right here, 1, 2, and then right here, this is like the little crush oil ring. This goes in between both of those, but you don't have to worry about those right now. We got the top ring, and we got the second ring right here too. So pretty much you want to put the back end first, and then just turn it down, pretty much, boom. And that's when you get the piston. So the piston, and then you're gonna push this down. So you're gonna end up pushing it down, and I'm gonna push it pretty much down until the bottom of the piston, pretty much. That's how far I'm gonna do it. So I'll take that out. Let's see if I will focus. Oh, there it is. So the gap right there, that's what we're gonna measure and see what it's at. Put the second ring in, and then the first ring.